How to fix contact photo not showing full screen on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. Head towards the option of contacts. Once you find it, open it. Now click on the option of accounts. Head towards the option of fetch new data. Over here you can find this section. You have to check in for this option of automatically. Once you do that, go to the main page of settings. Now scroll all the way up. Head towards the option of General. Open the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back. Find the option Phone. Open it. Now open the option Incoming Calls. Check in for the option Full Screen. Once you do that, you can close this. Now open your Contacts app. Now head towards the Contacts page. Now open any of the contact. Click on the option Contact Photo and Poster. Now over here you're gonna find different options. You can choose any of these options. I'm gonna choose photos. After you select the photo, click on done. And with that your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix contact photo not showing full screen on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.